creator of one solar system is known as Shiv, and he has supreme light of 1 kala to 4 kala celestial power. Kala means power. Shiva performed the creation with his affirmation or sankalp. Sankalp is a determination of mind that is nothing but a wave of thought arises in mind of Shiva. Therefore, the act of thinking means performing karma. Performing karma means reducing the power within the soul or reducing the power of supreme light. If anyone, whether it's a human being or Paramatma, does the karma, then they come under the bondage of karma. The creator and his creation are always connected to each other, and due to this reason, if there is any negativity in the creation, then the negative thoughts and vibrations from the creation reach the creator, due to which the supreme light in the creator gradually declines over a period of time. As time progresses, the creation is gradually filled with negative energies. Thus, creations consume the power of supreme light from Shiva, the creator, and Shiva receives the negativity from his creation in turn. In this way, after the passage of billions and trillions of years, the power of supreme light, Param Prakash, in Shiva gets decayed significantly, and as a result, Shiva becomes a black hole. Decaying of power in supreme light can be understood easily if it is compared to radioactive decay takes place in a radioactive substance. It is nothing but loss of energy in the form of radiation. Shiva, the creator, then becomes the destroyer and dissolves his entire creation, the entire solar system. Thus, the supreme soul, Shiva, degrades into a powerless common soul known as Jeev. In our Shastras, it is written that in every second infinite of infinite Brahmans are created and destroyed. Every second means 1 second of Mahashiv, the owner of a galaxy, that is equal to 100 years of Brahma of the solar system. Here the time is predetermined. However, sometimes the power of the supreme light held by Shiva can exhaust sooner than the predetermined time also. The black hole of the solar system, Shiva, equal to 1 second of Mahashiv equal to 36,500, Kalp Pralay equal to 311.04 trillion years, Mahakalp Pralay. When the time of the solar system, that is the time of Shiva, is over, then only 10% power remains within Lord Shiva. Thus, at that moment, the power to run the solar system in Shiva, Param Prakash, completely ceases. Consequently, Mahakalp Pralay, the time dissolution event of the solar system, is initiated by Shiva, who enters the sun and generates a tremendous fire, Kalagni, or the great fire of dissolution. Through this destructive fire, Shiva destroys the entire solar system and all the beings within it. The entire time and space of solar system is consumed by the Shiva. The supermassive black hole of galaxy Mahashiv